Hey guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a squishy cake out of nail polish of all things. So yeah, let's get started. The things you'll need are a makeup sponge, some nail polish, and some like optional puff paint. So get your squishy and your nail polish, your makeup sponge, and then just start like painting your nail polish onto the sponge. And you can add as many coats as you want. And I think it just looks really cool and awesome. And then what you want to do, you just want to let that dry. And if you want to, you can do like a design on it. So yeah, but you don't have to. I'm just going to do 2 hearts on mine. So yeah, that's how you make a squishy cake out of nail polish. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!